This holiday season,
Hey man, you really gonna take that job?
I don't know.
a countdown to LCS'mas story about how one mechanic turned teacher saves Christmas.
Henry, is that really you? I heard a rumor that you were joining us.
Yeah, you heard right. Looks like I'm taking over the auto mechanics program here at Lincoln.
Oh, okay. I guess you're taking over the class you really loved as a student.
Yeah, I'm just hoping to make a difference.
A story about finding a place to belong and returning to your roots.
The last time I was at Lincoln, I was learning to drive from Coach Forbes. It'll be a lot different teaching.
Yeah, well those kids can learn a lot from you.
Christmas, however, is never without its speed bumps.
Excuse me, sir, do you need help?
Oh, hey, buddy. Yeah, apparently I do. Looks like my car's having some problems. But I'm in a hurry. I got a lot to do.
And what's a Christmas movie without some life lessons?
I'm held up here. I don't know how long it's going to take.
We'll have you fixed up in no time.
Lincoln's auto program teaches these students so many useful skills and practical knowledge.
You're all set? Glad we can help you out.
More than you know.
A countdown to LCS'mas original trailer that will have you asking, Lincoln High School has an automotive program?
So, how was your first day?
It was pretty magical.